Hello, hello. We're back at it. We're out here in Hillsborough, California, right outside of San Francisco. Freaking hot already. We're doing Flagstone. We're doing Arizona Flagstone. I believe it's called like Arizona Bluestone or something like that. Purpose of the video is not sticking to the maintenance, not keeping these things sealed as usual. That's my job, to bother you guys about that, taking care of your stuff, maintaining it. So you can see what's happening is it's starting to get mold everywhere from the lack of sealer, water being able to penetrate it. Areas back right here where it doesn't get a lot of shade or gotten really bad. So we're going to do everything in our power to attack it, eat it, break it down. We're scrubbing it all by hand with pretty much straight acid, as you can see over here. Watch Tony right here. He's using straight acid and good old-fashioned elbow grease and just a wire brush that's not going to scratch or hurt the tile. So it's a combination of the acid and the scrubbing on the hands and knees that's going to kind of help lift out the stains. And these tiles are pretty strong, pretty resilient stuff. So you can see we're all just detailing really good by hand, trying to get the mold off. So purpose of the video, people, is if you don't want mold, seal your stuff, your flagstones, your slates, your patios, whatever it is you're doing outside. And I maintain it more often than I maintain stuff inside, just because of the water factor and the rain and sprinklers and stuff and the constant moisture. So if you want to stay on top of it, I do this process every at least 3 years or so. And it'll keep it looking great, keep it easy to clean, and it won't be so hard to clean. You can see it drying out up here. This was all really bad. You can see we got it looking freaking amazing. Actually, wow, looks better than I thought it'd clean up. So it's looking good, and we're gonna seal it really good. Next time there's water on this, it's gonna bead up and repel. So anyway, people, like us, subscribe, share. Most important of all, stick to your maintenance, keep your stuff sealed, keep it protected, don't be lazy, don't get cheap. Patios like this, to rip this out and replace it, you're looking at like, 25, 30,000. So don't be the victim to that.